Welcome to the heart of the United Kingdom, London, one of the most iconic and vibrant cities in the world. If you're planning a trip to this historic city, you've come to the right place. From world-renowned landmarks to hidden gems, London has something for everyone. Whether you're into history, art, culture, or simply looking for a fun getaway, this article will guide you through the best places to visit in London, how to get there, where to eat, where to stay, and what it will all cost. But before we begin, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an adventure. Ready? Let's dive in. The Tower of London. For a deeper dive into London's medieval history, a visit to the Tower of London is essential. Built by William the Conqueror in 1078, this fortress has served as a royal palace, prison, and treasury. Admission for adults costs around £30, but it includes access to the crown jewels, the medieval White Tower, and guided tours by yeoman warders, also known as beefeaters. This historic experience may be a little pricier, but it offers an incredible glimpse into London's past. The British Museum. Next is the world-renowned British Museum, home to over 8 million artifacts spanning the globe. Best of all, admission to the museum is completely free. You can explore exhibitions that cover everything from ancient Egypt to contemporary culture, making it an essential stop for history lovers. If you want to see special exhibitions, tickets can cost between $15 to $25 depending on the event. Still, it's one of the best ways to experience London's rich cultural heritage without breaking the bank. Buckingham Palace. The royal residence of the British monarchy. The palace itself is free to view from the outside, and the changing of the guard ceremony attracts thousands of visitors. However, if you want to tour the inside during the summer months, it will cost around £30 for adults. This iconic experience gives you access to the staterooms, where you can marvel at the opulent decor and rich history of the British royal family. It's a must-see for any first-time visitor to London. London Eye. The London Eye offers one of the best views of the city skyline. This giant Ferris wheel, located on the south bank of the River Thames, provides a 30-minute ride where you can see major landmarks like Big Ben, St. Paul's Cathedral, and the Houses of Parliament. Tickets for the London Eye start at $28, but booking online in advance can save you a few pounds. For a more luxurious experience, you can opt for a champagne flight, which costs about £50 per person. Hyde Park and Kensington Gardens. If you're looking for a relaxing escape from the hustle and bustle of the city, Hyde Park and Kensington Gardens are perfect options. These iconic green spaces are free to visit and offer beautiful walking paths, boating on the Serpentine Lake, and plenty of spots to have a picnic. If you're interested in exploring Kensington Palace, which is situated in the gardens, admission costs around $25 for adults. Visiting these parks is a great way to enjoy London's natural beauty without spending a fortune. Transportation options. Underground. One of the most popular ways to get around London is by using the Underground, also known as the Tube. With 11 lines covering the entire city, it's a fast and efficient mode of transportation. Prices vary depending on the zones you travel through. For example, a single fare in Zone 1 starts at £2.50 with an Oyster card, but prices can go up to £6 for longer trips across multiple zones. Day travel cards are also available, starting at $14.40 for unlimited travel across all zones. The Tube is perfect for those who want to get from point A to point B quickly without getting caught in traffic. Buses. London's iconic red double-decker buses are not only a great way to see the city, but also an affordable option. A single bus ride costs just £1.75 no matter the distance. When using an Oyster card or contactless payment, the daily cap for buses is £5.25, meaning you can take multiple trips in one day without paying extra. Buses run 24/7, with night buses available for those exploring the city after dark. While buses may take longer than the Tube due to traffic, they offer a scenic view of London streets, making them an excellent choice for first-time visitors. Taxis and ride-sharing. For those who prefer a more private travel experience, taxis and ride-sharing services like Uber are widely available. London's famous black cabs can be hailed on the street, but they tend to be more expensive, with fares starting at around $3,020 and increasing based on distance and time of day. Uber, on the other hand, can be more cost-effective, with fares typically 30–40% cheaper than traditional taxis. However, during peak times, Uber prices can surge, making it less affordable. Both options are ideal for those traveling with heavy luggage or in a group. Cycling and scooters. For the more adventurous traveler, cycling is a great way to explore London. Santander cycles, also known as Boris bikes, can be rented from docking stations across the city. The cost is £1.65 for a 30-minute ride, and you can drop off the bike at any station. For longer journeys, you pay an additional $2 for each extra 30 minutes. Electric scooters are another option, available through apps like Lime and Dot, with prices starting at $1 to unlock and around 15p per minute of use. These eco-friendly options are perfect for those who want to avoid the busy streets while getting some exercise. Riverboat services. For a unique perspective of the city, why not travel by river? Thames Clippers offer riverboat services along the Thames, connecting key points such as Westminster, the Tower of London, and Greenwich. Prices range from £4,060 to £8,020 depending on the route, and Oyster cards or contactless payments are accepted. While slower than other transport options, the riverboats offer stunning views of London's skyline and landmarks, making it a leisurely and scenic way to get around. The best restaurants to eat in London. A Taste of Bombay in London. Dishoom, inspired by the Irani cafes of Bombay, is a must-visit for anyone looking for delicious Indian food in London. With several locations across the city, it offers a vibrant atmosphere and mouth-watering dishes like their famous black dal and chicken ruby curry. Prices here are moderate, with most main dishes ranging between $12 and $16. You can also enjoy their breakfast menu, where dishes like the bacon naan roll are priced at around £7. Dishoom delivers a fusion of flavors at a reasonable price, making it an ideal spot for casual dining. Michelin-starred luxury. For a more extravagant dining experience, Sketch is the place to be. Located in the heart of Mayfair, this Michelin-starred restaurant is famous for its innovative dishes and unique interior design. The tasting menus, which showcase a variety of creative high-end dishes, start at around $130 per person. If you're in the mood for something less formal, the afternoon tea experience at Sketch is priced at £80 per person. While on the higher end of the price scale, Sketch offers an unforgettable culinary journey for those willing to splurge. Classic British elegance. If you're looking for a classic British dining experience, the Wolseley, located near Piccadilly Circus, is a fantastic choice. Known for its grand setting and timeless menu, you can enjoy dishes like Eggs Benedict for breakfast, priced at £12.50, or go for a traditional afternoon tea, which costs around $35 per person. The main courses for lunch and dinner range from £18 to $40. The Wolseley combines elegance and quality, making it a favorite for those looking to experience quintessential British dining. Affordable steakhouse. Steak lovers on a budget should head to Flatiron. This popular steakhouse offers a simple yet delicious menu, with its signature Flatiron steak priced at just $13. The restaurant also provides free popcorn and tasty sides like dripping chips priced at $4. With several locations across London, Flatiron is a fantastic choice for those who want high-quality food without spending a fortune. It's perfect for casual dinners, and the price-to-quality ratio is unbeatable. Taiwanese street food at its best. For those craving something a little different, Bao is a Taiwanese street food gem. Famous for its fluffy steamed buns filled with various ingredients like pork belly or fried chicken, Bao offers a unique and affordable dining experience. Each Bao is priced between $5 and $7, making it easy to try several different flavors without breaking the bank. Bao also offers small plates like Taiwanese fried chicken, which costs around $7. It's a great spot for adventurous foodies looking for something new and delicious. Where to stay in London. Central London. Staying in central London puts you at the heart of the city's most iconic landmarks. Areas like Covent Garden, Soho, and Westminster offer quick access to the British Museum, Buckingham Palace, and vibrant theaters. However, this convenience comes at a price. For budget travelers, hostels and boutique hotels start around £100 per night. For mid-range options, expect to pay between $150 to $300 per night. Luxury hotels in this area, such as the Savoy or the Ritz, can easily exceed $600 per night. Staying in central London is ideal if you want to be close to major attractions, but be prepared to pay for the convenience. West London. West London is known for its affluent neighborhoods, including Kensington, Chelsea, and Notting Hill. This area is perfect for travelers who want a quieter, upscale experience. Mid-range hotels in West London range from $150 to $350 per night, while luxury stays like the Milestone Hotel can go upwards of $500. Budget travelers may find it harder to score deals here, but a few affordable guest houses start around £120 per night. With close proximity to attractions like Hyde Park and the Victoria and Albert Museum, West London is a fantastic option for those seeking a more peaceful and elegant stay. East London, particularly areas like Shoreditch and Hackney, is ideal for younger travelers and those looking for a vibrant, artsy atmosphere. This area is famous for its street art, indie cafes, and eclectic nightlife. Prices in East London are generally lower than in Central or West London. Budget accommodations, including hostels and quirky boutique hotels, can be found for as little as £60 per night. Mid-range hotels start at around $100 to $200, while luxury stays rarely exceed $400. If you're after a trendy, youthful vibe and don't mind being a bit further from the main tourist spots, East London is a great choice. South London, particularly areas like Greenwich, Battersea, and Clapham, offers a more residential and laid-back experience. This area is perfect for families or those who want to avoid the hustle and bustle of central areas. Budget accommodations can be found starting at £80 per night, while mid-range hotels go for around £120 to £250 per night. Luxury hotels in South London, such as the Intercontinental London, the O2, typically cost upwards of £300 per night. South London provides a mix of historical sites like the Cutty Sark and large parks, making it an excellent option for families. North London. If you're looking for a more bohemian, artsy vibe, North London, particularly Camden, Islington, and Hampstead, should be at the top of your list. Camden, with its famous market and live music scene, offers affordable accommodation options starting at £70 per night. Islington and Hampstead, on the other hand, cater more to mid-range and luxury travelers, with prices ranging from £120 to £350 per night. Hampstead Heath and its charming village atmosphere make North London a hidden gem for travelers seeking a quieter stay without being too far from the action. London is a city that seamlessly blends the old with the new, offering something for every type of traveler. Whether you're visiting for the first time or returning to explore more, the city's landmarks, restaurants, and cultural experiences never fail to impress. From getting around efficiently to discovering hidden culinary gems, this guide has you covered. So pack your bags and get ready to experience all that London has to offer. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and destination guides. Let us know in the comments your favorite places in London or if you have any hidden gems to recommend. See you in the next video.